Imagine you need to monitor dozens of Telegram chats at the same time, find important messages, track updates, and constantly switch between different groups. Today, in just 5 minutes, we will set up a system that automatically collects messages from multiple Telegram chats into one channel, and then processes them using AI. First, let's open Neurallux, a platform for automating Telegram accounts. Unlike regular Telegram bots, accounts can work with groups and channels, including private chats. First, we need to connect a Telegram account. Go to the Accounts section and click on Connect Account. Enter any name for your account and provide your phone number. I will take it directly from Telegram. Telegram will send a verification code. Enter it to verify your account. The connection is successful. Now let's import chats. Next, go to the Ready Workflows section. Here, choose the ready-made Message Forwarder workflow. In this video, we will also set up the AI-powered version. Now we need to specify 2 types of chats. Chats from which we will collect messages, chats where these messages will be sent. For this example, I will use 5 different chats. They include both groups and channels, including private ones. For the destination, we will choose the Unified Channel. On the platform, in the first field, select the message sources, the chats that should be monitored. In the second field, select the destination chat where the collected messages will appear. Now choose the Telegram account that will run the automation. Create the workflow and open it. Now let's test how it works. Messages from the selected chats will automatically appear in the unified channel. Notice that messages sent by our own account are also processed by the workflow. The message collection works. Now let's add AI processing. Delete the current workflow and choose the AI version from the Ready Workflows section. The settings stay the same. Select the source chats, destination chat, and account. An additional AI text block appears. Here, you can choose the AI model that will process the messages. For example, AI can summarize long messages, highlight the most important information, or analyze content before sending it. I will leave the default model and test the workflow. Let's send a message to a cryptocurrency chat. After a few seconds, it appears in the destination channel, already processed by AI. Let's try it one more time. The AI version works as well. Now you have an automation that collects messages from multiple Telegram chats into one place, and can additionally analyze them using artificial intelligence. Don't hesitate to create your own workflows or use other ready-made ones for your tasks. If this video was useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. More automation examples will be released here. See you in Neurallux.